So this is Corey from Bald Advisor. Got another one for you. It's something cool. So Rebellis Development Group decided to buy a bunch of gift cards for their team, which is the employees. They don't call them employees, they call them team, because they all work together, creating and building, and great environment. But they chose what is it called? Central Grill. It's off of Central and not too far from Rio Grande here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. That's where I'm at. And this guy George that owns it, he gives back so much. And I know you know places like this and others that are just doing a great job, and they're trying to keep their business going and that kind of stuff, and they're doing stuff for the community, even though it might cost them a lot of money or stuff like that, but they know it's the right thing to do. Get out there and support them. Tell your workplace, your boss, or whoever, say, hey, instead of this and that for our to help us or stuff like that, why not gift cards from these different places to help support them, help support your own community, and to let them know that you care, and so that later on when this COVID stuff is gone, they're still there and you get to still eat at these great places. Because man, George, he makes some killer blueberry pancakes, man. Hey, this is Corey from Bald Advisor signing off. Have a good one. Bye.